Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today we're breaking down the top 3 reasons why the iRobot Roomba Plus is one of the smartest robot vacuums out there. Let's jump right in. At number 3, Imprint Smart Mapping. The Roomba Plus learns your home's layout and builds a detailed map in the iRobot app. You can set specific rooms, create cleaning zones, and even schedule cleanings for certain areas at certain times. It's like having a personal floor plan just for your vacuum. At number 2, Serious Suction Power. The Roomba Plus uses a 3-stage cleaning system with dual multi-surface rubber brushes and 10x the suction compared to older Roomba models. Whether it's pet hair, crumbs, or everyday dust, this vacuum is built to handle it. And the number 1 feature, the Clean Base Automatic Dirt Disposal. After each cleaning, the Roomba empties itself into a sealed bag inside the base that holds up to 60 days of dirt and debris. That means you can go weeks or even months without ever touching the dustbin. So that's our top 3: smart mapping, powerful cleaning, and hands-free convenience with the clean base. The iRobot Roomba Plus doesn't just vacuum, it manages itself so you don't have to. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe for more smart home reviews, and let me know in the comments. Would you trust a robot vacuum to replace your regular one? Learn more at https://osmzn.2.4lgcjh.